Good morning, folks. It's an early morning start at the Bigfoot Jervis Bay Caravan Park. We are pretty excited to be finally heading over to Kangaroo Island. We leave behind one of the four-wheel drives and the two caravans, both hooked up to power so they can keep our beer supply cold while we are hopping all over Kangaroo Island. We then roll down the hill to the SeaLink Ferry terminal. The morning sun is just starting to pierce through the coastal mist and the loading lanes are getting busy. If you're doing this trip, you always want to aim for those early morning slots like the 9 a.m. daily departure to make sure you get a full day on the island. After a quick check-in, only the driver stays in the car to back onto the deck while the rest of the crew boards via passenger ramp. And look at the size of this thing. We're boarding one of SeaLink's massive twin-hulled catamaran ferries. These beasts are around 50 meters long and can hold up to 375 passengers and 50 cars over multiple decks. They are purpose-built to handle the backstairs passage, which can get famously bouncy, so look out for that. Once the forward drive is locked on the vehicle deck, it's time to head upstairs to the air-conditioned lounges, grab a morning cappuccino from the licensed cafe and find a window seat. The journey across the 16-kilometer long strait takes just 45 minutes, but it flies by. If you stand out on the outdoor viewing decks, the sea breeze will absolutely wake you up, and if you keep your eyes peeled, you might even get a pod of dolphins escorting the ferry across the passage. It's the perfect buffer between mainland life and island time. And then as we approach, the cliffs of Kangaroo Island are getting bigger, and we are officially pulling into Penneshaw Harbour on the Dudley Peninsula. This cute little coastal town is our official gateway to Australia's third largest island. The ferry doors are opening, the ramp and our single-pack four-wheel drive roll off the Kangaroo Island. Let the adventure begin. they cost money.
Looks like a new age too. Oh, no, it's not.
See. Follow that one.
Go along the wall, yep, and swing out, and then I'll probably reverse you back in, alright?
towards Penneshaw, Kangaroo Island. We ask that drivers begin to make their way down to the vehicle deck. Those drivers only on the vehicle deck. Once there, please do not move your vehicle until instructed to do so by the crew. All other passengers, please remain seated until we ask the crew to move, after which you may exit the deck and ride the double deck on the left-hand side. Please do not line up in the aisle until the crew have had a chance to open the door, please. Please ensure you take all your belongings with you and you place them into the lucky basket and collected. Please place rubbish and rubbish bins provided by leaving the vessel. Drivers, if this is the first time you're travelling to Kangaroo Island, please take care of driving on our road, especially on Youngster Road and at night and watch out for our underwater hours. Please ensure you drive on the left-hand side of the road. For those passengers joining the tour on the right-hand shore, the tour coaches